Marseille, France's second biggest city, may not be as fancy as Nice or as stylish as Saint-Tropez, but it has a special charm of its own. This historic port city is full of unique architecture, delicious seafood, and one of France's top museums, MuCEM. It's also the gateway to Calanques National Park, a stunning natural wonder. Plus, it's the perfect base to explore Provence's lavender fields and the beautiful town of Cassis. Don't miss out on this hidden gem in the south of France. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the 10 best places to visit in this amazing port city. So, sit back, hit that like and subscribe, and let's explore Marseille together. Number 1. Notre-Dame-de-la-Garde Basilica. Standing on the tallest hill in Marseille, Notre-Dame-de-la-Garde is one of the city's most famous landmarks. This beautiful church, built in the 19th century, follows a Romano-Byzantine style, making it unique and eye-catching. It can be seen from almost anywhere in the city, watching over Marseille like a guardian. The basilica's most striking feature is its tall bell tower, which is topped with a shining gold statue of the Virgin Mary. Locals and visitors come here not only for its beauty, but also for the breathtaking views of the city and sea from the top. 2. Calanques National Park. Calanques National Park in France is the only protected park in Europe that includes land, water, and semi-urban areas. It is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Visitors can enjoy many outdoor activities like snorkeling, sailing, kayaking, rock climbing, and hiking. The park is also home to diverse wildlife, making it a great place for animal watchers. With its stunning landscapes, clear blue waters, and rich biodiversity, this park is often called France's version of the Garden of Eden. It offers something for everyone who loves nature and adventure. 3. Palais Longchamp. The Palais Longchamp in Marseille is a stunning place with grand Baroque columns and beautiful gardens. It is home to 2 important museums, the Natural History Museum and the Fine Arts Museum. These museums display fascinating exhibits about nature, history, and art. The impressive buildings and the large, open park make this a favorite spot for both tourists and locals. People come here to enjoy the architecture, visit the museums, or simply relax in the peaceful green spaces. With its rich history and scenic beauty, Palais Longchamp is one of the top attractions in Marseille, perfect for a visit any time of the year. 4. Old Port. The Old Port of Marseille has been an important part of the city since ancient times. It was once the main center for trade and shipping, but today, it is mostly used by yachts, fishing boats, and pleasure vessels. The port is lively and full of charm, with scenic quays lined with cafes, restaurants, and historic buildings. Every morning, fishermen sell their fresh catch at the local fish market, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy fresh seafood while taking in the beautiful views of the harbor, making it a must-visit spot in Marseille. 5. Marseille's Cathedral, called Cathedral La Major, is one of the city's most important religious landmarks. It stands close to the water and was built in the 19th century. The church has a Neo-Byzantine style, which means it has grand domes and beautiful decorations. Its striped facade makes it easy to recognize, and the interior is colorful and vibrant. Many visitors admire its stunning design. However, don't confuse it with the Basilique Notre-Dame-de-la-Garde, which is another famous church located on a hill. Both are must-visit spots in Marseille, but La Major is special because of its unique location by the sea. 6. Vallon des Auffes. Vallon des Auffes is a small, charming neighborhood in Marseille's 7th arrondissement. It feels like a place from another time, with its old-world charm and peaceful atmosphere. This tiny fishing area is packed with colorful houses, painted in warm shades of salmon and yellow. The neighborhood surrounds a small, picturesque harbor where fishing boats gently bob in the water. The area is known for its authentic charm, offering a glimpse into Marseille's maritime history. Despite being close to the busy city, Vallon des Auffes remains a quiet, hidden gem where visitors can enjoy beautiful views and a relaxing vibe. 7. Fort Saint-Jean. Fort Saint-Jean stands tall on the shores of Marseille, its tiny walls reflecting centuries of history. Built in the 17th century as a military stronghold, it remains one of the city's top attractions. The fort offers stunning views of the Bay of Marseille, drawing visitors to explore its ancient walls and scenic surroundings. A modern footbridge connects Fort Saint-Jean to the Museum of European and Mediterranean Civilizations, MuCEM, creating a cultural hub. MuCEM showcases art, history, and Mediterranean heritage, making the fort and museum a must-visit for anyone interested in Marseille's rich past and vibrant culture. 8. La Canebi. Walk along Marseille's famous boulevard, La Canebi, and experience its faded grandeur. Once a grand street filled with luxury shops and cafes, it still holds traces of its past charm. As you explore, you'll see a mix of old and new, with historic buildings standing beside modern businesses. La Canebi reflects Marseille's rich history, shaped by trade and different cultures over the centuries. The boulevard leads you through the heart of the city, where markets, restaurants, and local life create a lively atmosphere. Discover the many layers of history, commerce, and culture that make Marseille a fascinating place to visit. 9. Marseille's Old Town, known as Le Panier, is the city's historic heart. With narrow, winding streets and colorful buildings, it reflects Marseille's rich past. Settled by the Greeks over 2,600 years ago, it is the oldest part of the city. Today, Le Panier is a lively area filled with cafes, boutiques, and street art. Visitors can explore historic sites like La Vieille Charite, a former almshouse turned museum, and the Cathédrale de la Major. This charming district offers a mix of history, culture, and local life, making it a must-visit for those wanting to experience authentic Marseille. 10. The Camargue in southwest Provence is one of France's most beautiful and wild places. It is a protected regional natural park filled with wetlands, beaches, salt flats, and rice fields. This unique landscape is home to the famous white Camargue horses and strong Camargue bulls. These animals are cared for by local guardians, who are the region's cowboys. The area is also rich in wildlife, with many birds, including flamingos. The Camargue is about 90 kilometers, 56 miles, west of Marseille, and it takes around 1 hour and 15 minutes by car. Its natural beauty and rich culture make it a special place to visit.